Hi guys, so we are here at the lobby area of Seda Hotel in Quezon City. In front of it is Solaire. So tapatan lang sila. This is the lobby area of Seda in Quezon City. And that is Misto. So, ang Misto is yung kanilang restaurant wherein you can dine you can eat your breakfast buffet here tomorrow kung kasama yun sa inyong package. We also have this coffee shop here. So, we're going inside our room. Ang room natin ay 1117. Actually guys, nandito na yung mga friends ko. That's why medyo magulo na. Anyway, we are going to have an overnight stay here. At kung nakikita nyo, ayan, may mga ano na. Anyway, this is the standard room for Seda. And ito nga, ito yung kanila mga free. Like this one. And then, ang kanilang, ayan, sorry, may mga pagkain na rin. At ayan. They have TV. And they also have working area here. And ang ating view ay kalye. So, dyan natin makikita ang sangkatutak na bahay, which is not so pleasing in the eye. Anyways, this is a double room, which we got for 6,000 pesos. Overnight stay with breakfast buffet. By the way, let's check the CR. So, ito ang CR, very basic, but it's clean naman. They already have shampoo, conditioner, and then body wash. Do they have bidet? Of course, they have a bidet, and towels, and bath soap. And dental kit, towel, and shower, blow dry. So, meron din silang bathroom. Hi guys! We are here at Seda Hotel in Quezon City. And itong room na to ay nakuha namin for 6,500 or 700 with breakfast na for 2. And you can book this through Agoda. I can put the links sa comment section. And of course, you can use our Klook promo code. It's CPLT Klook to avail 5% discount. Asan yung lobo?
Dali gagawin ko.
Oh, sabi sa'yo, nag-prepare kami! Guys, birthday na aming friend. And hindi niya alam kung ano yung mga surprises. Pero eventually, actually nakalista lang din yun. Siya din na magbabayad upon check out. Ay, grabe naman. Oh, diba? May pa 24 chicken. Tapos, ano to? Oh, dali, ang dami na na-order nila. Hindi pa ako nakaka-order. Wow! Oh, this one is courtesy of Nini. Thank you, Nins. Ayan. Si Lali naman ang food. Tapos, ako wala pa. Pero ito yung pinaka-importante. Ayan, no?
Kaya lang, wala yung machine ko nadala.
Thank you, Miss Lalin, for this beautiful setup. Ayan, no? Cheers!
Cheers!
Happy birthday! So guys, magsiswimming tayo ng gabi. Kasama ang ating friends. 1117.
Last name na lang po.
Tolentino.
Ilan po, ma'am?
4. Ay, 5.
4 lang po.
4.
Bawal na dahil ka number siya.
Yeah, yun na yun. Dito sa left side, sa may pool area nila, merong mga bench area na pwede kang kumain. They also have kids playground. So the swimming pool is located at the 3rd level of this hotel. Meron ding bar. Asan? Yeah. Mom. Wow. So guys, now we are going at their sauna area. Sauna area. Okay, we're going inside the sauna area. Uy, lamig. Bango? Ganyan din ba yung amoy sa loob? May lock ka. Kasi para siyang lounge area eh. May lounge area dito. Yeah. See? Restroom siya over. Madam? Maliligo na po kayo, madam? Madam? Ay, shucks, hindi to pwede sa loob. Okay lang, mas labas ko na naman. Steam room and sauna. Stars of the 80s.
Pakilagay niyo na yung liyan po.
Guys, we're on our way sa breakfast buffet sa baba. Hindi! O, baba na tayo. Antayin natin. So guys, good morning. We are here sa kanilang breakfast area.
Traffic. Akala ko.
Hi!
Can I have your number, ma'am?
11:17.
11:17. So, last name na lang nila. For how many adults is this? For 4.
Oo. Thank you.
Would you like some coffee po?
Mainit dito. O, dito na lang. Dito sa opposite side. Yeah. Tumagos din eh. Dito na lang ako. So, iikot muna tayo to check the food. Let's start off with the bread. Uy, guys, sorry gaganto ko. Para hindi ka makita.
Palpak yung against the light.
Yan. Ganun pa rin.
Saka mo ilagay.
Okay.
Wala, mawabawasan viewership.
Good morning. So, meron tayong taho for breakfast and nagpagawa tayo ng omelette. So, later, i-explore pa natin ang iba't ibang pagkain dito sa Misto in Seda QC.
Ako ngayon sa Facebook, yung mga memories. Later na.
Juice, ma'am. Gusto ko nila. Yes po.
Ayun, orange.
With ice po ba or without po?
With.
With ice.
Thank you.
Orange.
Yes, thank you.
Nakware na yung hirap mag-vlog kapag dadaldal ng mga friends. Guys, pag magpa-vlog kayo, huwag kayo magsama ng kaibigan. Isama niyo yung boyfriend niyo kaya asawa niyo hindi niyo kinakausap. Ano mangyayari sa vlog? We got this for our omelette. Try niyo yung omelette, masarap. Everything on it.
Ay, thank you so Thank you. Ayan.
So, we are trying their adobo, beef tapa, longganisa, and daing na bangus. Of course, the konting dilis. Siyempre, we got the veggie. Ang breakfast buffet nila rito is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and ang price niya is 1,400. So, they accept walk-in, pero kung kasama naman siya sa binook ninyong room, free lang siya. So, marami rin naman yung selections, isang buong hilera, pero since it's weekend today, sobrang dami ng tao. So, better talaga kapag ka weekend na maaga kayong pumunta para at least ma-enjoy nyo yung lahat ng food. Ayan. So far, masarap naman lahat. Try their omelette. Masarap yung omelette nila. And masarap yung dilis. Sarap yung dilis, malutong, as in. Hindi, masarap yung dilis, try nyo. Meron ding tuyo. May tuyo, di ba? Meron din tuyo. And then, ham, etc. etc. Mukhang yung mga juice nila, how was it? Okay. Fresh juice ba? Fresh juice, hindi siya powder.
Freshly squeezed.
Freshly squeezed, galing sa kilikili. Yung kilikili ang nag-squeeze. Ayun. So, magta-try pa tayo ng ibang pagkain nila.
Oh, yung mga requirement? Oo. Hindi ka pa pag-incomplete ka pa rin.
Alin?
Sabi ko, kailan magkakalaman yung next year?
Uy, ang sarap. Parang ano nga ba itong ganito? Tikman nyo. Combination. Hindi ganun katapang eh.
Mali pala yung tableria.
Tableria? Ano?
Tableria pa.
Table.
Baterol.
Pinagsama niya yung distilleria. Kasi may ano yun, may alak. Oo. Ano to, tequila? Tequila rose ba yun? Baileys pala, Baileys. Baileys. May hangover pa ng Baileys. Uminom mo kayo na Baileys? Hindi. Kagabi.
Yan, pag problemado ako eh. Kunyari hot chocolate.
Pero Baileys.
Nagadinig ko hot Baileys.
Alam mo masarap. Hindi siya matamis.
Hindi nakakasuya. Diba?
Parang Baileys nga.
Di ba sa dito?
Oo. Sarap. They also have that. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to keep you posted. Bye-bye! It's checkout time. We enjoyed our stay here in Seda Hotel Bertis North. Till next time. Bye!